Hello and welcome to this new video on Old Mutual Finance login. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type Old Mutual Finance loan or login, and you can just click enter in the keyboard. After that, the search result will be shown to you, and the first search result is Old Mutual Personal Loans. You just need to click here and their official website will be shown to you. In the top right corner there is an login button. You just have to click on the login button. After that, you just have to click on the My Old Mutual and it will redirect you to the login page. And if you haven't signed up or registered till now, below the login button there is an sign up button. You just have to click there and follow through the procedure provided to you by Old Mutual, and you will be able to successfully register. And when you have registered, you will be redirected to the login portal, and you just need to enter the username first. If you have forgotten username or user number, you can just click here and you can retrieve it and enter. And after that is the turn for password, and you just need to enter the password here. And if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on the forgot password that is just below on the right side, and you will be able to retrieve or make a new password. And when you have entered all the details, then you can just click on the login button and you will be able to successfully log in into Old Mutual Finance account. So this is how you can easily log in into Old Mutual Finance account. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.